Hey, what's up guys? This is Joe. In this video, I'm going to go over the NBA use my simulation tool to run 1,000 simulations and see who the best plays are for today on November 8th. It's a 14 game slate. I already pulled into today's players. It pulled into their standard deviation. We get the projections in here and their salary. This is for DraftKings. And then I ran the simulations, and let's check out the results. So I like to sort it by 5 times their salary. I mean, we could sort by whatever we wanted. And let's just start going by position. And let's start with point guard. And the top point guards: Malcolm Brogdon, Killian Hayes, LaMelo Ball third, Theo Maledon, and Jordan Clarkson make our top 5 point guards. Let's see our shooting guards here. Jordan Hawkins, Anthony Edwards, Jaylen Brown, OG Anunoby, and Desmond Bane. Those are our top shooting guards. Power forwards. PJ Washington made it 63% of the time. Then Kyle Kuzma, Obi Toppin, Finney Smith, and Bobby Portis, all pretty close, down to 59%. Make up the top 5 there. See our small forwards here. Here we got the highest one of the slate is Gordon Hayward, 79%. That looks like a good play there. Jay Crowder, LeBron James third at 60%. Jaden McDaniels, and then DeMar DeRozan, 59%. And let's finish up looking at centers here. And Mitchell Robinson, 71%. Rudy Gobert, Daniel Gafford, Jokic, who's with a high salary, 11.7, but he made it 69% of the time, so that's a lot of points there. And Mark Williams coming in at number 5. Anthony Davis just behind him there. So those are our top ones. If we look at this top ceiling, who's got the highest ceilings for the day? Giannis with the highest, the only one over 100. Joel Embiid, 95. Fred VanVleet with only a 7,700 salary, so I think that's a really good play there. LaMelo Ball and Luka with 84. Although he's only 43% of the time, so not sure how great a play that is, but let's see. So what we're going to do now is let's just build a lineup. I've got it all set here in DraftKings. I'm just going to do a 50-50. I did just make the money the last time in a tournament, but I think these numbers are better for 50-50 since I'm not looking at stacking anybody. So let's start off at point guard and see what we got here. It's 8,200 Malcolm Brogdon. Let's see if we can get him in. Well, obviously we can fit him because he's our first guy, so alright, now let's look at shooting guard. Who do we want to take here? It's Jordan Hawkins, only 4,700. Let's put Hawkins on the team. Actually, let's just look at all the positions and see. Just put the names in, and let's see. I want to get Haywood in there. Gordon Hayward. Get him in there. Let's see. Jay Crowder, only 3,900. Let's get a little of that in here. I wanted to get Fred VanVleet in here, just because he has his height, because of the high ceiling. Who else do we got? Let's see. Mitchell Robinson, 71%. Let's see if we can get him in here. We still got forward and utility. So who else do we got? What's our salary we got left? 6,800 a player, so we got pretty decent salary. Ooh, Rudy Gobert. Look, this 94% of the time he's gonna make 4 times the salary. It's pretty solid play for cash. 6,600, and that leaves. Got to get a forward in here. Who we liking? Can't afford LeBron. Brandon Miller, maybe 5,800. Playing Washington. All right, we got $1,200 left. I could mess around with it, maybe change something up. Actually, let's see if we can get someone a little higher. So the last guy, what can we get for 7,000 here? Here, what about Thompson? Let's go with that. Actually, instead, it's a little better play. He's a little higher, 59%, and 96%. He's going to make 4x his salary. So we got it. Let's enter this, and let's see how it does. So that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check out our sim tools, go to www.optimizelineups.com/sim, and you can use the code YouTube for 10% off. And I guess that's it. Give it a shot and let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.